Y'all, Renee here. I am here today to put together the January Cut Above Layout Kit for the Craft with Heart subscription service. Love doing these kits. They are so quick and easy, fun, low stress, which I need today. Who's with me? So here is what the kit looks like when you get it. So it makes two-page layouts. What you need is adhesive, 3D foam tape if you want to make it dimensional, and a journaling pen to complete everything. But other than that, you get everything you need. So let me show you what does come in the kit. So of course you get the page that shows you what they look like, as well as simple instructions for putting the kit together. So I'll put that off to the side. You also get any pre-cut papers that you may need. So today it looks like we've got some cute little squares in a couple different, or 3 different patterns. So we'll put those aside. And then it looks like some probably for 4x3s, and then some white, looks like 4x3, probably photo mats. Then you get your photo placeholders, so that if you're like me and you put these together and then come back later with your photos, you'll know quickly at a glance what size would work best when you're printing your photos. So this kit does a 4x6, and it looks like 7 3x4s altogether. So that's nice. I love 3x4s. Those are probably some of my favorite sizes because you can put so many in. I mean, 4x6 is nice, but 3x4s, so easy. And you can print 2 3x4s on 1 4x6 if you're using, one of those little home printers, which is what I like doing. You also get, I'm going to get these out of the way since they're kind of shiny. You get all of the page protectors that you'll need. So we'll put these aside, put those aside. You get your stickers, and they're clearly marked layout 1, layout 2, and they're hard cardstock stickers. I really like those flowers. This should be fun. So we'll put that aside. Then you also get your die cuts, and it looks like I have a little owie. So hopefully where this goes, I can, yep, it looks like it gets tucked. So I'll be able to cover that up and it won't be a problem. But if you ever run into something like this and it's in an area that is going to be showing and you want a replacement, just call our head office and they will take care of that and get you a replacement. So layout 1, very clearly marked, and then layout 2. So there's not really too many this time around. So we'll put that off to the side. Then this is what really helps bring it all together so quickly, is that your pages are pre-printed. So it actually goes like this. I'm looking at the way that this is all put together. So you've got the best and memories, and then you've got your areas to put your entire thing together. So this one will be really fun. And then this is for the second page. So there's that. We'll get them oriented correctly. And as you know, I love this torn edge look. And this is printed right on the background papers. So this should be really, really fun and really easy. So with that, I'm going to go ahead, get started with everything, and then I will be back. I'll put some music on, speed it up. Wish I could craft as fast as my speeded up version, but unfortunately, life doesn't work that way. But I will be back at the end to show you some close-up pictures and to give you any thoughts I have on how it went together. I hope you enjoy. Okay, I love, love, love how these came out. These are so cute. So, what we have here turned out beautiful. You could even add a few extra pictures of small little 2x2 pictures if you wanted. Um, and this part right here really lends itself well to flip flaps. This one, maybe not so much because I think you'd cover up these flowers when your flip flap came down, but these ones would be perfect. I mean, there's a little bit of the, the leaf right there, but that really wouldn't be a big deal. But this turned out really cute. There were some extra little hearts left. So I'm just going to hold on to those and maybe embellish a couple of the pictures with them. So I'll give you a quick close-up of some of the page. And I just really, I cannot say enough about this scrapbook subscription program. It really is just something that when it comes, I'm just so excited because I just know that I'm going to be able to put something together that I'm really excited about that turns out perfect every time. I know perfection's not what we're supposed to be, what we should be, not supposed, what we should be going for. But truthfully, when I can make something that is this beautiful this quickly, it just really gives me a push and it increases my creativity. So if you're having trouble with that, I highly suggest doing something like this. This one came out really cute too. You saw that I cut the letters out of the sticker sheet. I always like to lay them down first to see if I like the way that the stickers are on the sticker sheet. I'll just fold it down and then attach them exactly. For this one, I wanted them a little closer together. I did start on this side so that I could get it exactly where I wanted it, pushed over a little bit. Love all the arrows. I did change this up a little bit. They had it on the photo itself, but I wanted it to mirror what was going on over here. So it gave, that visual, tying it together visually. So love the way this came out. Wish upon a star, just so sweet. And I love how they had you mat this picture with the banner. I always have a hard time cutting big banners like this. Smaller ones or pennants, whatever you want to call it. Smaller ones, not so bad. But these big ones, I have the hardest time getting in the middle, even when I measure it. It's just crazy. And then this was that piece that had the little tiny, bend in it. But I covered it up, so no big deal. And actually, I could have cut part of it off and used it somewhere on another project, but I have enough scraps. I don't need to create more scraps for myself. So with that, I am going to sign off. I hope you enjoyed the project today. Let me know which layout was your favorite. And if you also have the whole thing about if you can get something done and it turns out great, that it encourages you and spurs you on to keep doing more and gets your creativity flowing. Just let me know if I'm the only one with that. So with that, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, welcome. And if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button down below, that would help me out tremendously. I'm getting closer and closer to that magic 1,000 that you need with YouTube. I know for those of you who don't know the ins and outs of YouTube, I don't make anything off of those ads that you were forced to watch. YouTube gets all of that. Now, if I can get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, yikes, that's the part that's going to be scary, then I can start getting some of that money, which I can pour into more projects. And I would really like to do that. I mean, if you got to watch the ads anyway, how about I get some of it? So there you go. That's my push for subscription. But thank you so much for watching today. If you would give me a big thumbs up, that would also help me because that would push my video out to other people who maybe don't know me. And I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.